Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to restore delete file in infinix mobile. Friends, you want to restore infinix mobile delete file, so how to restore delete photos, delete video in infinix mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your friends photos, Google Photos app. After guys Google Photos app guys, you want to delete video, you can delete photos, you can delete video. After delete video friends, close your app and friends again open your Photos app. After friends click here happily and friends click here trust size, and friends you can select your photos, videos you want to restore your recently deleted photos and video. And friends if you click here, so friends you can see you will have to delete permanently from your Google account. After delete friends, you cannot restore these photos and video. So friends click here right side restore, and friends you can see restore file, click here and the file will restore. And friends again you can read these photos and videos in your infinix mobile. And friends if you delete photos and video from guys your Google file, so friends I will delete these photos, videos, screenshot I will delete. After delete friends click here left side three line, and friends click here trust, and friends you have photos, videos in trust size, select your photo and video. And friends if you delete friends you can see I will delete friends you can see permanently I will have to delete, and friends you can see photo and video will delete. And friends you want to restore, so select your video, photos, restore, click here restore 3 file, and a photo will restore. Again friends you can these photos in your device. So like that friends we can restore delete files. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.